Look at all these amazing ingredients. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate pudding, sugar-free and vegan, okay? So look at all these great ingredients we got here for our chocolate pudding. We're going to be using avocados, ripe avocados, make sure they're ripe, raw cacao powder, some coconut water, and some dates. You can use medjool dates or dates from Egypt, anything you can get your hands on. And the rest of what you see here are all endless possibilities of how you're gonna top off your chocolate pudding, okay? I just had a workout. I need my post-workout meal, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make this amazing chocolate pudding. Vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free. Yay! Okay guys, I got so excited that I forgot to mention the kinds of toppings that we're gonna be using. So I got some Brazil nuts here, and they're really important for us vegans because selenium is really important for everybody, and for vegans, the only source that we can get it from is from these amazing, delicious Brazil nuts. So make sure you add those in. Another possibility, shredded coconut. Ooh, the combination of shredded coconut and chocolate. I mean, come on, that's heavenly. Some straws, woo! Okay, if you want to put your berries in there, you can go ahead and do that. Also, speaking of berries, I got these dried strawberries and dried raspberries. Like, I know, they're expensive, but they're so delicious. So if you can get your hands on those, I suggest you do so. And lastly, now, I'm debating whether or not I should add in these amazing chewy chocolate chip cookies. They're so good. Guys, if you want to know how to make these, you can go to one of my older videos called Chocolate Chip Cookies. These are chewy and so delicious, and you're going to love them, okay? But because, you know, it's the new year and I made some goals to get super fit, maybe we're going to leave those out, okay? Because, you know, we're not messing around here. We gotta stay fit and get fit and not screw around, okay? We gotta do what we're gonna say. No, don't fuck around. Anyway, so let me show you how to make this amazing chocolate pudding. All right. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add in some avocado. And remember to look at the description below. I'm gonna be giving you all the measurements that you need to make this successfully. It's a super easy recipe. I'm sure you guys already know how to do it, but this is what I'm eating for my post-workout meal. So here we go. So we got the avocado in there, and now we're gonna do 10 pitted dates, all right? Now, you gotta make sure that they're pitted because that's just gonna, you know, if you've got a pit in there and you're trying to blend it up, it's not gonna work out for you. So make sure you take out all the pits, all the stones. So 10 dates. And now we're gonna add in some raw cacao powder. For those of you who don't know, cacao powder is high in zinc, so all the more reason why you should add in some chocolate to your diet. All right, so that's all. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of coconut water, so here we go. So now we're gonna add in some coconut water. Guys, don't worry about it. If you don't have coconut water, you can use like just plain water or even a little bit of vegan milk. So let's pour in the coconut water. So you don't want to add in too much water because if you do, then your chocolate pudding will become very liquidy, and we don't want that. So I'm going to give you the measurements down below, so don't worry about it. But just, you know, take a look at the measurements. Okay, guys, it's time to blend this baby up. Ready? Okay guys, so our chocolate pudding is ready, and I'm gonna show you guys how creamy and delicious it really is. So, okay guys, so if you have a Vitamix blender, then this was super easy for you. If not, if you have a blender like mine, then this will take a few minutes so that all the dates will be, you know, blended up nicely. But this is the end result. Look at that, nice pudding consistency. And it's vegan, and it's gluten-free, and it's sugar-free, and it's everything free. And this is a fantastic post-workout meal, and that's what I'm gonna eat. So let's plate it and let's garnish our pudding bowl. Okay guys, we're getting ready to plate our delicious pudding bowl. Oh yeah. And I love serving this in coconut bowls. Like, it just makes it even more delicious. Look at that. Oh my God, look at those ripples. Now, I was debating whether or not I should add in some chocolate chip cookies. Guys, if you want the recipe for my delicious chocolate chip cookies, you can find them. It's one of my older recipes on YouTube. It's just an amazing recipe and I love it so much, and I am sure that it would taste so good with this chocolate pudding. But again, like I said earlier on, you know, I got some goals for the new year, and one of them is stay healthy and get super fit. Like, I want a banging body, right? So I don't know how that's gonna be possible if I'm scarfing these down, but oh my God, they're really, really good. If you guys wanna treat yourselves, but you wanna stay healthy and fit, go ahead and have your treats right after your workout. It's the best time to have it. So I'm gonna practice a little bit of willpower, and I'm not gonna have any of these today. Maybe on my cheat day on Sunday. Sunday cheat day. All right, so let's get started. We are going to garnish with some strawberries. Why not? Oh, it just fell in. Okay, I'm not really good at making bowls look super pretty like some other people, but you know what? This is the best I can do. Yes, guys, don't forget to put in some Brazil nuts into your pudding bowl. You really need Brazil nuts. For vegans, it's really important. You're gonna get all your selenium daily needs with just one Brazil nut, okay? So go out to the store and go and get that, all right? What else? Some shredded coconut. Why not? Oh yeah, shredded coconut and straws and chocolate, like together. Oh, it's just really good. Maybe just a few dried strawberries and a couple dried raspberries. Now, these are really expensive, but they're super delicious. If you can get your hands on them and you can afford them, go and get some of these. So this is it, guys. This is our vegan chocolate pudding bowl. Super healthy, okay? No refined sugar in there. It's all natural ingredients, very nutritious. And I didn't put those chocolate chip cookies in because, you know, I've got goals for the new year. I gotta stay fit, I gotta stay healthy, and I gotta get lean. And you know, sometimes on a vegan diet, staying lean is a little difficult because of all the carbs sometimes that we consume. So this is what I have to say to you guys for the new year. Carbs only after your workout. If you're not working out, start, okay? Make it a New Year's resolution. And this is it. If you like the video, hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And I will be seeing you very, very soon, guys. Take care.